All right, here goes nothing. This is a first unboxing of anything. Never done anything like this before. Just thought I'd give it a try. I've seen a ton of them online. I thought, why not? Let's try it. So we went and picked up the Nintendo 2DS XL. It has the game included pre-installed Mario Kart 7. We picked it up in the blue one. It's for our son. He's 3.5 years old, maybe a little young to get it, but nonetheless, kind of sick of the pop-ups happening on the iPad, so we decided to kick it up to the next level. Box is a little difficult to open, go figure, which is nice and secure. Seems like everything is in there tightly packed. Just a little piece of nothing, just kind of probably holding stuff, keeping it secure. Oh, here we go. Looks like the second piece. This looks, nicely wrapped. It's clearly a adapter for charging. Hopefully it charges it nice. I'm curious how the charge on this is going to actually work. Box is empty. Other than that, nice box. Shows the front. Going to show the back, some different things. We decided to get the Mario Kart one just because it's already preloaded. Made more sense than having actually separate games and a different add-on and just kind of increasing the cost. This looks like some AR cards. I'll look more into that. I'm unsure what that is. We'll go ahead and set that down there. Looks like the directions probably straightforward. I'm sure we'll have to read through these. I'm not a gamer, so I don't know much about this stuff, but nonetheless, we're excited about checking this out for our son. Well, this is the main piece right here, the main attraction. Looks like what we've all been waiting for. This is clearly nicely packed. It's going to be in a nice little concealed carry case or something, cellophane. Oh, nice. So we went with the blue. Like I said, it's a little brighter, it is for a boy. Volume, I just noticed a volume on the side, which looks like it's probably going to be pretty easy to maneuver for a kid. Nonetheless, looks like a power button up front, some sort of auxiliary cable. Maybe that's for a headphone. Nonetheless, there's even some buttons up here that I see. Looks like a left and a right, and a Z1 or no ZL and ZR, and it looks like another little connector right there. Probably some sort of charging. Unsure. We'll be looking more at that. Here you go. Looks like it opens up pretty simple. Nice little protective in here for what they did as far as packaging. Let's see if this comes with a charge. Okay, looks like it may come slightly charged. So it looks like the yellow light's on. I see a blue light. Nonetheless, I do see that it's starting to kind of load up. Looks pretty easy. We're gonna, I guess, choose English. Oh, it is a touch screen. I didn't realize that. If you're a child, please have your parent. Seems pretty simple, just giving some general information kind of about the system. Nothing too crazy. It is nice that this is a touch pad. I didn't realize that's what it was. Well, it's going to go through setting up different stuff. For the unboxing, I'm not going to do that. Perhaps I may do a second video showing how to connect it fully or doing different stuff with the profile. Won't bore you with all of that right now. Nonetheless, seems like a good buy. We picked this up. It was around $150. It seemed more cost effective than buying an older version and buying a game. Nonetheless, thank you for joining us today, and see you next time.